So I just recorded, I think, 8 minutes of my current state, raising awareness, my real life, real time documentary testimony, and it's not up for exploitation. So, no one, and I mean no one, is going to take my voice, my podcast work, especially when I am doing this in a place I am literally fighting for my life on a daily basis. I am surviving X amount of daily abuse, tactics, and so many other things. So, yeah, I am going to edit what I have said and take this from me. Do not let anyone try to take your voice, your work, your life story. It is yours.